Welcome to the Wonder Garden channel. To help you have more options in caring for orchids at home, today I will continue to share a simple, yet highly effective organic method. With just familiar ingredients available in your kitchen, you can completely create a natural fertilizer that helps orchids grow healthy, lush green, and easily bloom. What's special is that this formula is not only dedicated to orchids, but can also be applied to most types of houseplants, from foliage plants to flowering plants, providing sustainable and safe results for your small garden. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Let's get started. To make the fertilizer for today, I will prepare 1 onion. Onion peels contain many nutrients beneficial to plant growth. In particular, onion peels contain flavonoids and sulfur compounds, substances that help enhance the plant's resistance, fighting against bacteria and fungi that cause diseases. Additionally, onion peels provide potassium, phosphorus, and a small amount of calcium, essential minerals that help plants develop strong roots, lush green leaves, and stimulate the flowering process. Therefore, onion peels are an excellent ingredient to create a natural, safe, and effective fertilizer for orchids, as well as other plants in your garden. Place all the onion peels into a clean glass jar. Then, I will add about 500 milliliters of boiling water. Boiling water will help extract the maximum nutrients from the onion peels, such as potassium, phosphorus, and natural antibacterial compounds. Close the lid tightly and let this mixture steep for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, I will filter the onion peel solution, keeping only the clear liquid that has extracted the nutrients from the peels. Filtering helps remove residue, preventing root clogging or blockages in the growing medium when watering. Then, I will dilute the solution by adding 1.5 liters of room temperature clean water. Diluting the solution helps the plant absorb it more easily and prevents the plant from being shocked when using high concentration fertilizer. Method 1. First, I will use the onion peel solution to care for the orchid leaves. This is a very important step in the process of restoring and nurturing the plant, especially for those that have just gone through a stressful period or have been repotted. Onion peels contain many natural antioxidants, along with sulfur, potassium, and other trace minerals. These nutrients have strong antibacterial properties, helping to eliminate harmful bacteria and molds that often cling to the leaf surface, the causes of leaf rot, leaf spots, and reduced resistance in orchids. When used regularly, the onion peel solution will help the orchid leaves become greener, shinier, and healthier. The nutrients absorbed through the leaf surface will promote photosynthesis, helping the plant produce more energy to nourish the roots and develop new shoots. This is a simple but highly effective method to care for orchids, especially during the recovery phase after repotting or when the plant is weak and needs gradual nourishment through the leaves. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Not only for orchids, when you use it to care for other houseplants like peace lilies or lilies, it has similar effects. Maintaining leaf wiping with the solution once every 2 weeks will help the plant grow vigorously, with leaves becoming lush green and sturdier. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Method 2. Next, I will pour the diluted onion peel solution into a dedicated watering can. Then, gently water around the base of the orchid, ensuring that the entire growing medium around the roots is evenly soaked with the solution. Watering directly at the base helps the plant absorb nutrients gradually through the roots. This is the main pathway for orchids to develop stably and healthily. The natural minerals in onion peels, such as potassium and sulfur, will support stronger root development, enhance disease resistance, and help the plant adapt better to its new growing environment. Watering with fertilizer in this way not only nourishes the roots, but also creates conditions for the plant to recover quickly, preparing for the phase of producing new shoots and developing flowers in the future. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Soak the orchids in this onion peel solution for about 20 minutes. During the soaking time, the natural nutrients from the onion peels, such as sulfur, potassium, and antioxidants, will gradually penetrate the roots, helping to disinfect, prevent fungal diseases, and stimulate root recovery. Not only for orchids, you can also use this solution to care for other houseplants in a similar way. As you can see, this lily plant of mine is wilting due to a lack of nutrients. I will use this onion peel solution to water it. Thanks to the natural micronutrients in onion peels, such as potassium, sulfur, and antioxidants, the plant will absorb nutrients and recover gently but effectively. Method 3. While waiting, I will pour the remaining solution into a misting spray bottle and use it to spray evenly over the entire leaf surface of the plant. Misting with the onion peel solution not only helps clean dust, but also provides beneficial micronutrients directly through the leaf surface. The natural compounds in onion peels have antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping the leaves stay healthy, shiny, and reducing the risk of common leaf diseases. Additionally, the fine mist from the solution helps maintain gentle humidity, which is very beneficial for the plant's photosynthesis process, especially in dry weather conditions or when the plant is in the recovery phase. After 20 minutes, I will proceed to remove the orchid pots from the solution. Special note: after misting with the onion peel solution, if the weather is intensely sunny, you should use a soft cloth to gently wipe and absorb any remaining water on the leaves, especially at the leaf axils. This helps prevent water from lingering too long, which could cause leaf burn or rot due to direct sunlight combined with high humidity. Proper care in these small details will help orchids stay healthy and develop sustainably in changing weather conditions. The leaf axials of Phalaenopsis orchids are often the most sensitive areas. These are places where bacteria easily accumulate, especially when the plant is in a humid environment or after watering and misting without being dried promptly. Therefore, if not handled properly, the leaf axils can become an ideal place for bacteria and fungi to grow, leading to stem rot. One of the common reasons why Phalaenopsis orchids weaken and gradually die. Thus, after misting, especially on intensely sunny days, using a soft cloth to gently wipe the leaf axils and keep this area dry and airy is extremely important to protect the health of your orchids. Results: after applying this method, my orchids have developed very well. The leaves have become greener, thicker, and shinier, with no more signs of wrinkling or yellowing. The roots have started to grow vigorously, white and bright, firmly attaching to the growing medium, and the aerial roots have also developed longer and more numerous to better absorb moisture from the air. This indicates that the plant is absorbing nutrients effectively. In particular, many plants have started to produce new flower buds, signaling an upcoming blooming cycle. This is a clear sign that the plant is recovering well and ready to enter a stronger growth phase. The initially wilted lily has now revived and become lush again, further confirming the effectiveness of onion peels. Continue and maintain regular plant care, and your orchids will soon recover and become lush green again. When nurtured with natural methods and proper care, the plant will accumulate enough energy for comprehensive development. In particular, they will produce large, beautiful, and vibrant flowers in a variety of colors. Each flower is not only the result of patience, but also a wonderful gift from nature for the love and care you have devoted to your plants. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel to not miss out on simple yet effective orchid care tips. Thank you for joining me, and see you in the next videos.